Hi, I'm Dr. Sonia Abdulla, board-certified dermatologist and medical expert, here to speak to you about the skin barrier. What is the skin barrier and why is it important to protect it? Dry skin, redness, itchiness, dull skin, these are all signs of a damaged skin barrier. But first, what is the skin barrier? Your skin barrier consists of the outermost layer of the skin, or the stratum corneum. The top layer of skin, or the epidermis, actually contains 5 layers, of which the stratum corneum is most superficial. Simply put, this barrier allows us to lock in hydration and create this protective barrier to keep the harmful stuff out. Physically, it protects us from external threats, things like infection, chemicals, allergens, and other harmful factors. It also protects us from water loss and dehydration. Let's take a closer look. The physical role of the skin barrier is achieved through cohesion between the skin cells of the stratum corneum. Think of this conceptually as a brick wall. The bricks are like individual skin cells, and the mortar between them that holds everything together is like the lipid bilayer. When everything is intact, the physical barrier forms a strong, solid shield to protect the skin from external aggressions. Additionally, it keeps stuff like hydration in. When your skin barrier is disrupted, water loss increases and irritants and allergens can penetrate the skin, triggering inflammation and irritation. Our skin barrier can be harmed by external factors that surround us. Environmental conditions like excessive cold or heat, dry air, wind, cumulative sun damage, harsh soaps or products can have a detrimental effect on the barrier function. It's also impacted by internal, non-genetic factors like our nutrition, the stress that we face, and in specific conditions, sometimes even related to hormones. Here are a few tips on how we can keep your skin barrier strong and healthy. First, gentle cleansing. Non-soap cleansers that contain humectants such as glycerin or hyaluronic acid keep the skin's natural moisture balance intact. These typically have a pH that resembles that of the skin. Second, moisturize. Hydrated skin is healthy skin. Hydration is a priority for all skin types, even oily skin. I like to recommend serums or moisturizers with humectants like hyaluronic acid, as mentioned before. Additional ingredients including ceramides, glycerin, sodium PCA, and vitamin B5 are also ingredients to look for in your moisturizers. Active ingredients with antioxidant properties like vitamin C can also be helpful. Vitamin C is a free radical scavenger. It helps protect the skin from age-accelerating aggressors in the environment. Minerals, whether they're in the form of thermal water or serums, also have antioxidant benefits that will help fight the effect of free radical damage. Finally, sun protection is always a priority in order to prevent the damage from oxidative stress.